Welcome back. As promised, this is part 2 of the Manufactured Materials Guide for Elite Dangerous. This video covers using high-grade emissions to collect Grade 5 engineering materials, which can then be traded down in order to fill up your lower levels. This is by far the most efficient method to date. Let's get started. This list shows you the search terms you will need to perform on Inara. I will walk you through how to do this. Let's say that I'm interested in military supercapacitors. The requirements show that I need to locate a system in a war state with any controlling faction. Looking at the list, I see that those same requirements are needed for military-grade alloys as well. Now, over on Inara, hover on the Data tab, then click on Search Nearest, then click on the Star Systems tab. First, input the name of the system you are currently in. Then set the population tab to over 1 million. Then we need to set the controlling faction state to war. Hit search and you will be presented a list of systems that meet those requirements. Keep in mind, it is not a guarantee that the system you go to will have high-grade emissions in them, so sometimes you will need to try multiples, so keep this tab open. Alternatively, you can try the ED Galaxy page for recent community finds, but this does not allow you to filter by distance and is not always accurate in my experience. Anyways, you can choose the type of material you are looking for at the top and it will filter the results for you. I'll put the link in the description below. Now on to the ship requirements for this method. You will need some cargo space available to hold your limpets. I suggest a minimum of 16. You will also need a collector limpet controller. Any size and class will work for this. The bigger the class, the more active limpets you can have out at the same time. In this ship, I have an open class 3 spot, so I will use that, giving me 2 active collector limpets. Do not forget to purchase limpets before heading out. We are ready to go. Plot the course to your chosen system. Once arrived, target the nav beacon, drop out, and scan the beacon. For the next part, verify that your nav panel filters are set to show signal sources. Then get back into Super Cruise and open your left panel. You will be looking for the high-grade emissions like so. If there are none, replot a route to another system from your search. Once targeted, pay attention to the time remaining counter in the top right. If there is only a few minutes remaining, it would likely be best to keep looking on your nav panel for another one. An SCO drive is very nice to have, as these signals are frequently a far distance away. After dropping out of Super Cruise, carefully fly into the debris field, open your cargo hatch, and deploy your limpets to start picking everything up.
Cargo scoop deployed. Programming limpet drone. Programming limpet drone.
You can use the left panel in the Contacts tab to see which items are here. As you can see, there are plenty. While the collectors are busy, let's take a look at another example. This time, we need proto-radiolic and proto-heat radiators. The chart shows we need a system in boom state controlled by either independent or alliance factions. On Inara, we enter our current system, set allegiance to independent, population over 1 million, and controlling faction state to boom. These are the possible places to find what we are looking for. Alternatively, use the ED Galaxy site previously discussed. So let's plot a course and fly over to one and see if we get lucky.
Cargo scoop deployed. Programming limpet drone. Programming limpet drone.
Sure enough, we found some here. Now let's do Imperial shielding. We need any system with Imperial control, and the higher the population, the better the chance of finding them. And there they are. The only one that can be a nightmare to find is pharmaceutical isolators. They're indeed very rare. In making this video, I checked 5 different systems with no luck, so I will just use the material trader to top off. To find the nearest material trader, we will be using Inara again. Hover over Data, select Search Nearest, then enter your current system. Under Station Services, choose Material Trader. We are specifically looking for the manufactured material trader, so pay attention to the search results on the left column. Now that the collectors are done, we can head on over. Once arrived, go into Starport Services, then Contacts, then Material Trader. The best trades are made horizontally across each row, so it is best to trade down for the materials in the same row. Then you should cross-trade for the materials that are hard to get or only available as missions, such as biotech conductors and exquisite focus crystals. That about covers this guide. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them below. As always, thanks for watching and hope to see you in the black. 07 Commanders.